How to share shopping cart on Amazon. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can share your shopping cart on Amazon. If you would like to share your shopping cart on Amazon, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open Amazon shopping application in your mobile device. And let's see that you have added multiple products to your cart and then you want to share them with your friends and family. To do that, you simply need to tap on the cart icon from the bottom, into which you directly share all the carts which you can see right over here. But instead, what you can do is just try to share that product. Specifically, select a product here and then just select this option share button at your right side. Once you tap on it, what you need to do is just copy the link and then you just have to send it to your friends and family. This is one way, and the other way is you can simply add them to your list. So you want to just come to the home page and create a list, which means you have to click on your list and then create a list. Just name it whatever, and then once you create a list, you'll have to add the product to this specific list. After adding all the products from your cart, just click on invite people and you can invite your friends and family to this page to view or edit this list. This way you can share your shopping cart on Amazon. That's it guys, thank you all for watching until the end and stay tuned till our next upload.